So I flipped on and off the switch. It's cycling, it tries to start. You can kind of see the stuff in there. And then eventually this kicks on and starts blinking red. It tries to start, the burners fire up. The burners fire up, it tries to start, but then it shuts off. And then eventually it locks out and does the red dots blinking. I think it's on try number 5 right now. So after it fails 5 times to start, it starts blinking like this. That's the blinking that it does. On the top unit, I'm going to take out these screws and take this top unit off. First I'm going to cut the power back off. Then I'm going to take these screws out on the top unit and take the cover off. Alright, so I took the top cover off. Just did these 2 screws down at the bottom and the cover came right off. I'm going to, there's 2 sensors in here. Well, there's one. I'm going to take this sensor down here and pull it out and clean it off. That is to sense the flame running. So I'm going to take it out and wire brush it real quick, see if that fixes the problem. And this is the one we're cleaning off. We're going to wire brush this. And it's important that you're doing this one with the angle that sits in front of the burner and not this one over here. This is this is used for something else. But this one, my brother told me don't touch it because it gets oils on it and then it won't work right. Don't touch the metal prongs on that one. This is the one we're going to try to clean off. And we cleaned it up. Now we put it back where it was. Okay. That's good. It's in there, it's in front of the burner. I'm gonna vacuum this stuff out while I'm in here, just clean it up a bit. Put this back in.